Kia ora, ko Rāpata Wiri tēnei no Reo Ora. Kia ora everyone, it's Rāpata Wiri here from Reo Ora. And today I wanted to do a short video on why Macrons matter. So he pātai tāku, I've got a question. Toko hi o koutou e mohio ana he aha te Macron. How many of you know what a Macron is? A Macron is a line that appears over a Māori vowel, as in a, e, I, or u. So why is a Macron important? A Macron is important because it simply means that you lengthen the vowel, as in kaka, as in tete, as in titi, as in horo, as in puru. So, the other reason why a Macron is so important is because it can change the entire meaning of a word. So let me give you an example. Mata. Mata means raw, as in ika mata, raw fish. However, if you put a Macron over the second A, it is pronounced as in mata. And mata means something entirely different. Mata means obsidian, which is a type of volcanic rock. Now, if you place a Macron over both A's, it's pronounced like this: mata. Mata, which means heap, as in a heap of firewood. So that's why Macrons are so important. And it's important that you use them correctly and you pronounce them correctly. Now, did you know taupo is actually correctly pronounced as in taupo with a Macron over the last O? Taupo. And did you know a place called whangarei is actually correctly pronounced whangarei? Whangarei with a Macron over the second A. So, kia kaha ki te ako I ngā tohu tō. So, be vigilant in practicing the correct pronunciation of Macrons. And I look forward to seeing you in our future classes. If you want to learn more about our classes, come to reoora.com. Nō reira, ka tī konei, tēnā koutou katoa, ka huri.